Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 179 different strategies, with 57 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And since we've been keeping track, it has so far outperformed every strategy that we have put it against, 70 of them so far. We've also tested a total of 998 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, today we will be testing a 30-minute Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says 100% accurate reversals using the secret Tradingview indicator. And so obviously we're going to put that to the test, and we know right off that no indicator and no strategy is going to be 100% accurate. And so we know right off that the claim made in the title is a little bit bogus, as well as the thumbnail says follow arrows and make $1,000 every day. Again, quite a boisterous claim that I'm going to venture to say is not true, even if the strategy is profitable. So nonetheless, like I said, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So let's go ahead and just turn off the two indicators we have on screen at the moment. The first indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the multiple EMA. It's going to be this one right here at the top. Go ahead and select that, and it will look like this right here. And as you can see, this is kind of the classic EMA, multiple EMA type setup, alligator strategy, if you will. There's a few different names to it, but basically we have multiple indicators here, all of them set to different periods, and we're looking for the way that they stack on top of each other. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings, and on the input length number 1 right here, the first one, we're going to change that to a period of 9, oddly enough, and then we'll click OK. The next indicator we'll want to add to the screen is going to be the the Bollinger Band Stochastic RSI Extreme Signal, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and it will look quite different. I just turned it on, but it's kind of hard to see. I'll go ahead, and in the default form, it looks like this right here. So what you're going to do is jump into the settings on this one, and on the Bollinger Band length, this one right here, you're going to change that to 10. On the RSI length, you're going to change that to 9, and on the stochastic length, you're going to change that to 9. Then you're going to jump into the style, and you're going to turn off all of these except for the two shapes right here. And once you do that, it will look like this right here, where all you have are these red and green arrows. Now, once you have that, what you're looking for specifically is going to be the way the EMAs are fanning out. And so what you're looking for is, again, kind of the classic setup where for the downside, you're looking for all of the EMAs to stack from the fastest all the way up to the slowest from the bottom up. And in this case, it's a reversal strategy, so we're then looking for a reversal indicator or a reversal arrow from the Bollinger Band Stochastic RSI, and that comes with this green arrow right here. It's going to be your reversal, and then once those line up there, that's going to be your long entry right about here, and you're going to set your stop right below this swing right here, right below basically the entry candle. And then you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Now in the video, the creator said that you can target any one of these EMAs as your take profit. But just to make it a little bit easier and a tad bit simpler for us to keep track of what this indicator could do, just went ahead and did a just straight across the board 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward. And you see that we make a push up here and get ourselves to our take profit rather nicely. Alright, and for a short trade, again, we're looking for all the EMAs to stack on top of each other. So this time we're looking for the slowest all the way down, or the fastest all the way down to the slowest from the top down this time. And once all those line up like so, you're then looking for a red reversal arrow like so. It's going to be your entry into a short right here. We're going to put our stop just right above that arrow right there. And we're going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this one forward. And once again, you can see that we make a move down there, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades, 38 losing trades, putting it at a 24% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade, and your drawdown would have been $15,200 for a total loss of $8,000 altogether. Quite a horrible strategy, if I do say so myself. And before anybody mentions that the risk to reward is what caused it, there were many instances where you get kind of a setup like this right here, where it's calling a reversal, but you just get these continuations in the momentum of the market, the overall direction it was going in, where you see you get the reversal signal and immediately just a continuation. You get the reversal signal and immediate continuation. A little bit of a pullback here, but you would have blown out your stop here before the pullback here, reversal, and then continuation. And so, yeah, it's just not a great strategy at all. Definitely don't recommend it. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 98 trades during the same period of time. We had 83 winning trades and 15 losing trades, putting it at an 84% win rate. On the winning side, if you're looking to gain the same $600, you would have gained $49,800, and on the losing side, you would have lost $13,500 for a total gain of $36,300 over about 1 year worth of trading. So significantly better profits all around. If you're interested in the Academy Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you have to maintain your Patreon status as well. It's super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and look at our weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track of the trades each week. And so last week we did 5 trades on the Forex pairs. We had 5 winning trades, a 100% win rate. It would have been a gain of $3,000. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a gain of $600. So for the week, we would have been at $3,600. 10-week total now, we would have been at $21,640. So, all right, that's it for this strategy here. This one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.